Yeah, we are here YouTube. We ain't letting up.
So only certain ones for you to scan them. I think this one's too, but the Skyline would be easier for that.
Y'all know where the restrooms at? Youngsters.
He says sit down.
Fuck. I think you're right. He did. It's time to get off. How you know?
I'm looking at everything.
Oh, man, you a genius, bro.
1, 2. So after this, 2 more, then the third one will get off.
We gonna get off on this one? Alright. Feel me?
Are you trying to sleep or?
Yeah? Low key?
Want to walk around?
I wanna run, bro.
I want to walk around.
I wanna walk around for some beer.
Yeah. 7-Eleven. Let's look for a 7-Eleven.
Oh yeah, I want to record 7-Eleven. Yeah, where you at? I don't wanna be like with a camera in my hand. I rather put it on my phone.
It's a subway station.
Oh yeah, genius.
次は金ヶ淵になります。
Oh yeah.
Oh, what the
Got
hell
the
is
sandwich, yo. What is it? It's a ham, credit, and right. What's up?
Give me a little piece.
Huh?
Give me a little piece. Like just a little piece. No. Just a little piece.
まもなく金ヶ淵でお出口が左側です。通りの際は外に
It's
ご
a
注
bomb, I
意
ain't
くだ
gonna
さい。
lie.
I got one. It has wasabi on it. Yeah, I'm doing the Mount Fuji train, man. You guys get me confused.
Train? Yeah, I guess you could do the train. The bus tour. I look pretty far too.
Huh?
The meetup too.
Where's it at?
Is it either one of the Tokyo station or the Shinjuku station?
Oh, we got 2 more right now.
Huh?
I was like, is that case of beer or no?
We'll get off on this one.
No, not this one. Oh, okay. And there's another stop, and after that stop.
Hello.
If we had the green one, it would have been better.
東の工事は東の工事まで
And I
No. It just goes to sleep mode. But it's still on. We're still filming, bro.
I'm your man.
Say what's up. Say what's up.
Konnichiwa, konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. What does that mean again?
Hi there.
Hi. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa, y'all.
Out here, Galas.
まもなく東の工事までお出口は左側です
Galas, but we made it. We're gonna make it.
Tell him, man. We're gonna make it, bro.
We're gonna make it, man. We're gonna make it. I feel it.
Before midnight.
Yeah.
Because that's the last train.
Yeah, that's
The next one? I'm about to get off in this one. I'm gonna sit over here. Then start tripping.
just walk. Like probably 5 minutes.
5 minutes away?
Like 5 minutes. Then we walk for it says 6 minutes walk.
Yeah, everybody walk at the last minute.